The foldable phone game used to be Samsung's playground, but times have changed. With more brands stepping into the scene, the pressure is now on the Galaxy Z Flip 7 to truly stand out, and it's got a lot to prove. While we're still in the early stages of leaks and rumors, some key details about the Galaxy Z Flip 7 are starting to surface. Based on what we've seen so far, Samsung is planning to evolve in all the right places, especially when it comes to the display. Historically, Samsung has unveiled its foldables in the second half of the year, but last year the launch happened earlier than expected to line up with the Summer Olympics. This time around, word is Samsung will host its Unpacked event in New York in early July, where we'll likely see the Z Flip 7 and Z Fold 7 side by side. Now, what about the price? Last year's Z Flip 6 got bumped up to $1,099. Will Samsung raise the price again or stick to that number? Hard to say, especially with global economics and import tariffs in play. But here's something interesting. There's buzz about a Galaxy Z Flip FE, a budget version of the flip phone. Think of it as a stripped-down variant, kind of like what Samsung has done with its S-Series FE models. Expected to come with a thicker build, possibly a less powerful chipset, and of course a more affordable price tag. But don't count on it launching alongside the main Flip 7. It'll likely arrive later in the year. When it comes to design, we could see the main screen grow to 6.85 inches and the cover display expand to 4 inches, a noticeable jump from the 3.4 inches on the Z Flip 6. Case renders back this up, showing more room for that external screen. But let's address the big question, the crease. While recent Flip models have made solid progress minimizing it, Samsung showed off a crease-free display at MWC 2025. Unfortunately, that's not expected to appear in this year's model, which is a bit of a bummer. So, what does the Flip 7 look like overall? Based on C80D renders, not a radical redesign, but those larger screens should be the biggest visual upgrade. Now here's some bad news. Camera upgrades might be non-existent. Yep, reports suggest the Z Flip 7 could recycle the same setup. A 50MP main camera, 12MP ultra-wide, and 12MP selfie shooter. Hopefully Samsung at least improves the image processing or adds new software tricks, because that hardware is starting to feel dated. Performance-wise, there's debate. Many expected the new Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 Elite chip, especially since it powers the latest Motorola Razr Ultra. But a recent leak hints at an Exynos 2500 instead. That would be a surprising move, especially given the performance expectations for a premium foldable. And honestly, sticking with Qualcomm just makes more sense here. RAM and storage, no big changes there. Expect 12 gigabytes of RAM and either 256 gigabytes or 512 gigabytes of storage, just like last year's model. One area of improvement could be the battery. It's not a massive jump, but every bit helps. And of course, we expect One UI 7 and all the Galaxy Eye tools introduced with the S25 series to be part of the package. So what's the takeaway here? The Z Flip 7 looks like it'll be a solid upgrade. Bigger displays, slightly better battery, and hopefully a performance bump, but it might not be revolutionary. And with brands like Motorola stepping up hard, Samsung needs to really bring the heat. We'll keep an eye out for more leaks and hands-on coverage when it launches. But for now, what do you think? Is this the evolution you were hoping for? Drop your thoughts in the comments. And hey, if you enjoyed this breakdown, hit that like button, subscribe for more tech deep dives, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.